Hey guys, our dish for today is Chinese style pork steak. So here are the ingredients. So we have 1/2 kilo of pork, so cut lengthwise. Then we have garlic minced, we have onion chopped. Also, we have vinegar and soy sauce, 1 cup each. Then we have ginger sliced into length. Then we have here green bell pepper sliced into length, and salt, and 1 cup of water. Procedure natin in cooking our Chinese style pork steak. So first, yung ating pork, marinate natin with our vinegar and our soy sauce. Then, we're gonna saute our garlic and onion. So, let's have some garlic. Then, yung ating onion. And also, yung ating ginger. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ating marinated pork. Then, let's put so 1/2 cup ng ating water. So, simmer natin siya until yung ating pork is maging tender. So, every now and then, i-check natin siya para hindi siya matuyuan ng sauce, ng salsa niya. Okay? I-add na natin yung ating 1/2 cup of water. So, let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then, pwede na natin siyang i-serve. So, while simmering it, pwede na natin lagay yung ating bell pepper. Simmer natin for about 5 minutes. So, luto ng ating Chinese style pork steak. So, pwede na natin siyang serve. So, luto ng ating Chinese style pork steak.